Okay, this is just going to be a quick test, just a comparison shot for the brightness and the sound from the original Master Replicas Darth Maul, which is in the front, and the upgraded Darth Maul in the rear, which was Master Replicas, but the board has been replaced with a Plecter Labs Nano Biscotte and a Tri-Cree with 2 reds in parallel with an amber for the flash on clash. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to set the camera down for a sec and pull the kill key. Oops. It's really touchy right now. Alright, so I'll go ahead and start up. I'll fire up the stock Master Replicas first. There we go. Just back up so you can kind of see what we got there. Down for the sound. Alright. Let's go ahead and turn on the Maul. Now this isn't finished yet. I still have to put in the blade retention and get the red button epoxied here. But for all intents and purposes, it's ready for a test. Alright. Really old blade. I think it's just a really old TCSS or TCSS, whatever. I always screw that up. Thin wall. I'm going to go ahead and replace it. I don't know. Maybe a Vader's Vault is what I was thinking of, but we'll see. Definitely a lot brighter, as it should be. The sound here. It's definitely louder than the MR. I like this sound font. This actually is just a stock dark meat sound font. Let me shut this off so you can hear that on its own. So that's just standard dark meat sound font that comes with the board. Let me see if I can get it to trigger the flash on clash here without knocking everything over. Just try slapping in here. Not sure if I don't think it picks up too well on here with the amber. It's fairly similar to the red, I guess, or maybe I just need to up the burst rate, but we'll see. Now with the Petite Crouton, I'm sorry, not the Petite Crouton, but the Nano Biscotte, have the option of a second sound font. So I went with Madcow's Revenge, which is his Darth Maul sound font. So here we go.
At last we will reveal ourselves to the Jedi. At last we will have revenge.
Alright, let's get that sound there. Let's get a couple of swings in here. Let's see. Alright, let me set that back down. I think it's good enough for a quick comparison. Just one more time, look at the MR. I mean, I know it's no comparison. I mean, it almost makes it look like it's not on. Anyhow, that's it for now. Just wanted to let you see it real quick. And hope you like it when it's done.